I'm Kate Sparks, welcome to my home. So as you can see, I absolutely love home interiors, and now it's time to tackle our backyard. Come on out and I'll show you what we've been up to. We have 3 little ones and we spend a lot of time in the outdoors, and so we just found it was time to give them a safer backyard that was not so old. We've had this home for 10 years now, so yeah, you're looking at about a 30-year-old home with old bushrock and all that sort of stuff, so we just wanted to give it a more modern feel and something that our family can enjoy at a young age. We love the indoor and outdoor type lifestyle, so we're actually going to get an outdoor kitchen built along here, and it will lead up to a fire pit area which will go 3 stairs up into a retaining wall from ModularWalls, and then pavement with the fire pit in the middle, creating that real indoor and outdoor lifestyle with the bifold windows and the outdoor kitchen all flowing into a nice entertaining area. As you know, I spend a lot of time on social media and I look at lots of different products and all that sort of stuff. So I discovered ModularWalls through Instagram, and I really liked the look, the sleek slimline, simple, and the DIY was just an added extra. Jono's had 3 weeks off work, so I've sent him to the backyard pretty much for that whole time, and he's been digging and starting to get ready for the installation, which is exciting.
So obviously it's a lot of work digging out the backyard, but it was really simple talking with ModularWalls and just figuring out the dimensions, and once we got back the 3D version of what we were doing, and just brought it to life. So yeah, it's been quite fantastic.
So stay tuned over the next few weeks to see how the DIY retaining wall goes. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.